I'm Carlos, and this is second period today. Now, and we start off today in Madagascar, the only place that you think about so little you didn't know it was an actual place. Madagascar is a tropical rainforest island off of the southeastern shore of Africa. Now, Madagascar is most popularly known for having a very, 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 very popular movie that we aren't going to get into in this video. It's home to many, 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 many different types of plants. Now, these plants, on the island alone, there are over 12,000 different species. From these species, 80% of which are completely indigenous to the island alone. That means you can't find them anywhere else. As well as the plants, there are also animals. Animals, these are better known as fauna. These animals consist of over 300 different types of mammals, 300 different types of birds, 360 different reptiles, and over 100 different types of lemurs. Now, to talk about our abiotic and our biotic factors of the island, we bring in our chief rainforest correspondent, Jasmine.
Hello. Abiotic factors greatly influence the Madagascar rainforest, such as sunlight, dirt, water, rain, soil, and wind. The dirt allows many plants to grow and prosper. Sunlight is important to the growth of plants. However, there is not a lot of sunlight on the ground because of the trees. The amount of rainfall is so large that only specialized plants and animals can survive here. If the amount of rainfall were to decrease, organisms may not be able to live. Okay, now about the biotic factor. The rainforests of Madagascar provide a home for unusual creatures such as mongoose. Like other islands, Madagascar supports no large mammals, meaning that bats and rodents make up a large part of its mammal species. The majority of the rainforest chamelons are endemic to Madagascar, meaning that they live nowhere else in the world. Numerous birds, amphibians, insects, and spiders also live in the rainforest. Like the lemurs, these animals are threatened by habitat loss. Upper layers of the trees of the Madagascar rainforest consist of the crowns of the highest trees growing from 20 to 100 feet above the rest of the canopy. The canopy refers to a dense thicket of closely spaced trees that shades the area beneath. A rainforest treetops are home to between 70% and 90% of the area's plant and animal life. Lastly, the lower layers of the rainforest understory is made up of smaller and younger trees that are widely spaced beneath the canopy. Beneath this layer lies a shrub layer that reaches approximately 5 to 20 feet above the forest floor. The shrub layer is home to tree trunks, fungus, and other low-growing vegetation. Now I will hand it off to Carlos.
And we're back. So, despite all of these animals and all of these plants and the immense diversity that is on this island alone, it's still in trouble. Now, there's many different factors that go into making this, slowly degrading this island lower and lower and lower in quality. Now, one of the bigger issues they have is deforestation. People in there are overusing the tree supply. They are going in and they're just getting all of the trees and not planting any of them back, making the island less and less habitable for all of these unique animals that they have here on the island. Another one is the animals themselves. There's a big problem with illegal poaching of the animals, and these animals are only indigenous to the actual island. You can't find them anywhere else. So if they keep hunting them and over-hunting them and not letting them reproduce, we're not going to have these around for long. So one of the big we can do to help save this beautiful island is raise awareness and actually put more funding into helping this island prosper and become what it was again.
Thank you for watching our video.